So here I'm in Sankeien Garden. This is the view from the observatory. Quite shocking, as a matter of fact, and disappointing from the standpoint of you've got all this industrial activity going on just outside this beautiful 175,000 acre Garden of Eden, practically, here outside of Yokohama, Japan. And now you got this bustling highway and some chemical looking manufacturing plant over there. Quite a stark contrast to the immediate beautiful surroundings of this nature park, of which I can only capture a small piece on this side. So two worlds colliding here. Mother Nature reigning supreme on this side, and then taking it on the jaw over on this side. That was amazing. Oh well, so-called progress. Got the river on the other side. Have to find out what river that is. But there's another huge industrial plant there. Well, I'll end it with the Mother Nature view of things. A lot more pleasant.